good, everyone?
No, I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up. I don't ever slow up. No, I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up. No, I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. Everything I do so instinctive and so passionate. Every word I move so descriptive like an adjective. I got a vendetta against people who patented being negative when you should be getting after it. I got facts over tracks, this and that. Spitting slow, spitting fast. I could roast, I could gas.
So first of all right, you know how they used to short the video now. So this is how you're going to short the video. So you just make that gesture like you want to remember something. Good. So from there, I also record a video of me. This is what I want to use as the flashback. So now let's go over to the editing. So from here, I'm going to split from here. Split. So I'm going to delete the space I don't need here. Go over to delete. So once I delete it, so I'm going to move it to that point whereby I make that gesture that I want to remember something. You understand? So can you see that's the point? So I'm going to split it. So once I split it, I'm going to move it forward. Okay, from here I'm going to split from here, split. So we don't need all these parts, right? So I'm going to split from here to split. So you see this middle, this is just where we don't want, so we go over to delete. Good. So I've deleted it. So the next thing is I'm going to come over here. Can you see? Good. You see here where I walk out of the camera, I'm going to split it. I'm going to delete the rest. Delete. So I need to switch this to the middle. All right, I need to switch it to the middle. So hold on it. It's going to come like this. So you're going to switch it to this middle. All right, so I'm going to have it from here. Can you see? Perfect. Can you see? So now this is what I'm going to do. Before this video switch to this one, I need to add a zoom effect to it. Okay, for me to add a zoom effect, I'm going to tap on it. I'm going to tap on it like this. So I'm going to give it a keyframe. So once I give it a keyframe, I'm going to move it forward. So I'm going to zoom it. So I'm going to zoom it like this. Okay, I'm going to zoom it like this. So that's just the zoom effect. So I'm going to come over here too. So yeah, can you see this line you are seeing? So I'm going to move it forward. I'm going to give it a keyframe. I'm going to move it back. I want to apply the zoom effect as well. Yes. Good. So you're going to have it like this. Can you see? Good. So let me add that sound effect. Okay, that's flashback sound effect. Okay, I got this from YouTube. All you just need to do is to go to YouTube and then search for the sound, screen record it, and extract the audio from the video. All right, if you don't know how to do that, make sure you watch our previous video, our last video. I explained it extensively on how to get video audio from YouTube. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go over to audio. I'm going to go over to extract. Yeah, so I'm going to add it. So I'm going to move it forward. So this is this. So I'm going to split from here. Split. I'm going to delete this one. Delete. So I'm also going to split from here. Split. So this is it here. So I'm going to bring it to this point. So you're going to have it like this. Can you see? So one last something here. You're going to tap on this transition, this middle, this white thing. Tap on it. So I'm going to give it a mix. So I'm going to have it like this. Good. So now if you notice, we have this one as same color and this one. So we need to change this to black and white. All right. Most flashback we used to see, they always be on black and white. So let's change this to black and white. Tap on this, go over to adjust. All right, go over to saturation and bring it back to -50. Automatically you're going to get that black and white. Can you see? Good. So once you do it like that, let's move to this next one, which is here. So we are also going to apply that same effect. The keyframe, let's just tap on it like this. So you're going to get it like this. So you're going to zoom it. So you're going to zoom it. So we want it to just come here. I give this one a keyframe too. Right, give it a keyframe, move it forward, and also zoom it. Alright, zoom it. Perfect. So you're going to have it like this. Can you see? So let's bring this sound. We have our sound here. So this is it. Split here. Now delete this one. Now bring this one here. So bring it on there. So you're going to have it like this. Can you see? So from here now, black and white, switch to this face. Tap on this middle. Now give it mix. So you're going to have it like this. So it is very straightforward. All right, very straightforward. Please don't forget to click on the post notification bell so that whenever I drop an amazing video tutorial like this, you'll be the first person to be notified. Make sure you share this video to as many group as possible. We need to grow. Share it to all your social media accounts, and don't forget subscribe if you are yet to subscribe on our channel. So the last thing you're going to do, you just need to add your sound and come over to audio. I'm going to be using extract. If you have sound on your CapCut, you can add your sound, but I'm going to extract. I'm going to be using extract. Now I'm going to come over here and add. So I'm going to use this sound split. So I'm going to delete. So I'm going to bring this one back. So you're going to have it like this. I just want things to get better. Good. So at this point that I'm about to switch that flashback, so I'm going to just reduce the volume and give it a keyframe. I'm going to move it forward a little bit. I'm going to bring this volume back to 10. So I'm going to have it like this. Can you see? So at this point that where I will move back, like I'm going to resume back the video. So I'm going to give it a keyframe, move it forward. I'm going to bring it back to 100. So this is how to edit this kind of flashback. And you see, it is very straightforward. Please make sure you follow this video step by step. If you don't understand this video, watch over and over again. Trust me, you're going to get it right. So once you are done, just come over here. Let's split these excesses. Delete. So I'm going to come over here, increase the resolution to 4K or 1080p and export your video. Thank you for your time. Don't forget to subscribe. I will see you in my next video.